Gonna do a quick video getting this tree up using the stump bucket. I thought I was just gonna leave this tree here, but during the summer it grows so much and the limbs get so low that it's hard to mow under. So it just turns into a big mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Be sure to watch to the end to see all the roots that pop up with this thing. It was kind of crazy. I'm using two cameras to make this video. The first is on the ROPS of the tractor. The second is currently sitting on the ground. Normally I'd have it on a tripod, but that turned into a bit of a mess today. I set the tripod on the loader arms of the tractor to come over to this area. I didn't realize that was a pinch point. And well, it kind of broke the tripod when I tilted the bucket back. Trying to give the tree a bit of a push. You can see how loose it is already getting. Let's come at it from a different angle. With the jagged teeth on the stump bucket, every time it goes back and forth, it is cutting and tearing the roots. Getting the dirt emptied out of the stump bucket. Now we've pretty much got it out of the ground. Just a few more roots holding on for dear life. Oops, a little tilt there. The tree isn't wanting to give up so fast. Look at those roots getting pulled out of the ground. Such a great sight to see. When using the stump bucket, my goal is to not get off the tractor any more than I have to. but I just can't seem to center this one up, so I'll adjust it manually. I've got my gloves in my pocket, but for some reason I forget to put them on. And now I've got dirt all over my hands. Well, I'm going to go drop this one off at the brush pile. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing.